Properties of water. What happens when you pour water in a glass? Does it change its shape or does it retain it? Well, as you can see, water takes the shape of the glass in which it is poured. Now, what if we pour water in a bowl? It takes the shape of the bowl. This indicates that water does not have its own shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is poured. Now, Pooja over here has taken 5 samples: sugar, salt, glucose, sand and sawdust. Now she has taken 5 separate beakers and filled the beakers with same amount of water. Now she simply added 1 teaspoon of each of the samples in the respective beakers. Now she stirred the solution with the help of a spoon and left them aside for some time. What do you observe now? Which of the samples dissolve in water? Yes, sugar, salt and glucose. This means that they are soluble substances. Now, which are the samples that do not dissolve in water? Sand and sawdust. So, they are insoluble substances. Now, Rahul has put a pan containing water on the gas burner in order to boil the water. He just kept his hand over the steam for some time and he immediately took it back. Do you know the reason behind this? You might also have heard about the term latent heat of vaporization. Now, what's that? It is simply the amount of energy required to change a unit mass of a liquid into vapor at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point. The water that is boiling constitutes specific amount of energy. Now, when the liquid water gets converted into steam, it rises above. This steam now has the heat energy of the boiling water plus the latent heat of vaporization. This means that steam is having more amount of energy when we compare it to boiling water. And this actually results in more severe burns. So here we understood about some of the properties of water. Can you identify some more properties of water?